The presentation of the budget and the aftermath over the last 5 days, how many points out of 10, with 10 being impeccable, would you give it, Mr. Jones?
Well, if the test of the budget was the test the Chancellor set, which was, have you been able to help people with the cost of living? Have you been able to protect funding for the NHS?
Have you lied is another one, of course.
Have you been able to get debt falling as a size of
have you lied is
the
another one,
economy alongside fiscal rules and headroom? Then, of course, that would be.
Have you lied?
Of course, that would be 10 out of 10.
Right. But there is, unfortunately, and it would seem she was unable to counter the suggestion, that she's been economical with the truth.
Well, I don't accept that.
You don't accept that
accusation? No,
right.
I don't.
You're aware of we were told that there could be a black hole of around 20 to 30 billion pounds, and that in fact on the 3rd of October, more than a month prior to her morning address, in fact the figures came in saying that totally the opposite. You don't call that a lie?
No.